Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been making headlines: ghost guns.
All right, we've got this breaking news just coming into our newsroom right now. The Supreme Court has issued a ruling on ghost guns.
So, what are they? Why are they controversial? And how do they impact our safety? Let's break it down.
You're watching Swen.
Now, when you heard the name ghost guns, it's not something you saw in the film Ghostbusters. Rather, ghost guns are firearms that can be made at home using kits or parts bought online. Unlike regular guns, they don't have serial numbers, making them hard to trace. This is why they're called ghosts. They're invisible to law enforcement. These guns can be made from various materials, including metal and plastic. Some people even use 3D printers to create parts. The process is relatively easy, requiring only basic tools and skills. In fact, you can assemble a ghost gun in less than an hour. In recent years, ghost guns have become a major concern for public safety. Between 2016 and 2022, law enforcement recovered over 70,700 ghost guns. This number reflects a dramatic rise in their use in crimes. Why is this happening? Ghost guns are often marketed as DIY projects, appealing to those who want firearms without going through background checks. Before new regulations were introduced, anyone could buy the parts online without any checks. In 2022, the Biden administration introduced new rules to regulate ghost guns. These rules require manufacturers to include serial numbers and conduct background checks. Recently, the Supreme Court upheld these regulations, which is a significant step for gun control. But the debate continues as some believe these laws don't go far enough to prevent crime. Ghost guns have been linked to various violent crimes and mass shootings. For example, a recent shooting in Philadelphia involved a ghost gun that resulted in multiple fatalities. The lack of traceability makes it difficult for police to track these weapons back to their owners. Moreover, ghost guns are becoming popular among criminals and those prohibited from owning firearms. This raises serious concerns about their role in increasing violence and crime rates. Detecting and tracing ghost guns presents significant challenges for law enforcement due to their lack of serial numbers. However, recent advancements and regulatory changes are helping to address these issues. 1. Metal detection. Despite being untraceable, ghost guns still contain metal components, making them detectable by metal detectors. This is crucial during security screenings and investigations. 2. Ballistic imaging. Law enforcement agencies use technology like the National Integrated Ballistic Information Network, NIBIN. This system analyzes shell casings from crime scenes to identify unique markings left by specific firearms. Even if a gun is untraceable, the markings can help link it to other crimes or firearms. 3. Microscopic analysis. Investigators can use microscopes to examine shell casings for distinctive marks that can indicate the type of firearm used, helping to narrow down potential sources. So there you have it. Ghost guns are a complex issue that raises important questions about safety and regulation. As laws evolve and technology advances, it's crucial for us to stay informed. Share your thoughts on ghost guns in the comments below.